Mic check, mic.
Oh, shut up, shut up!
Hindi kayo makakalipat pa,
Korean music, samgyup, nega, ayoko makapiright. Ang vlog. Sayang yung bagong phone.
Nagkana ka pang businahan, naka 100 na naman ako.
Oo.
Ano gusto mong gawin ko?
Pabo. Hoy, Pabo. Pabo, gago. Sabi. Pabo. Enemy spotted. Ay, gising na. Ito yung parang ano, no?
Laki.
Parang mga laugh track.
Oo.
Gawaan ng laugh track.
Go Kim.
Nice. Pagtatawa na ka.
Uy, ano yan?
Pagkain.
May ayuda ba dyan? Ayun o.
Yung troll farm arp. Wag po! Wag! Baka biglang tumae yan. Mga agat yan. Puta yan. Ako, ihimasin ko sa. Gogo.
Oh shit.
Akin na to. Tabi.
The gauntlet. Oh shit.
Tumakbo niya gago.
Akin to.
Bayad. Sige. Boto nyo. Thank you.
Sungay. Oy!
Pearls! Cereal guys, go! That's pearls, baby. These are boba generator.
Boba generator. Ito yung hito.
Hindi ko na makita eh. Sa hito.
Unang kuha yan dito. Hindi ko pa rin natitikman yan.
Yung dalaga. Dalaga.
Get me.
Turo mo ako mag-driver.
Ayan, ganyan lang.
Pwede naman magasgasan to, diba? Di ba insured ba to?
Patay ako sa nanay ko.
Baka sumabog yan, tapos meron tayong remembrance.
Para you know the mixed alcohol drinks. Para you just light it up, bro.
Oh shit, that shit's on fire, bro.
Here, bro, that's over it up. Then you do it again, pare. You know,
Oh, shit!
Gonna get that pop.
Nice. Euro, liempo. May extra.
Mic check, mic. Okay na ba yung mic? Magbabagsakan dito, kailangan nang mag-ingat. At ang uling bagsakan, si PaoLUL ang babana. Bato-bato sa langit ng pamano, mawala na kasi mga pangalalo po. Bakit pero kung kailangan, hindi na ba kami mga sukado sa babae, kasama ng parang nagkalaplan sa tunog ng gitara. Kasama ng pinakamalapit ng banda, pati si Kiko, mga-lady pa rin, kahit ang patama, awit na lagi mo binabalik-balikan sa pre-wide flame ko. Dapat isa pa ng bang birthday ko. Alam mo siguro ang baby ko sabihin niya, lumapit makinig na rin yung maintindihan. Mga salita yung sinunod ng Kiko Papel, pero pinailatag na parang pagkudaigaan. Nauna pa ako sa lyrics, sabay nakuha ka lang nabubuha. Isa ba siguro, kailan pagkagawa kami ng bago, medyo nabibilisan, di mo naisip na pwede mangyari, magkasama-sama lahat ng kasali. Sama-sama sa akin. Chico, biglang.
Nauna ko pa sa
Give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and deserve.
Katalantaduhan yung mag-set ka ng standard for being human. This be
Wala akong...
Paano hindi siya human?
Wala akong you. Paano yun?
the fact that
The
you
man.
exist, the fact that you exist, the fact that you feel, you're human.
Hindi man na ako kasi wala akong you.
Ano yung you?
You! That's soldier boy! Soldier
support.
Wait lang. Ano yung you para sa'yo? What is this you?
Ano yung hue na binibigay sa'yo?
Dapat stop natin sa human. Kasi you, me, her, him, her,
Why are we
him.
talking about this?
We experience being human in a different perspective.
Ba't wala ba?
Ano for example?
Kasi siyempre ito yung mga...
You are valid. That's all you need to think about. You are valid.
Parang kang ID.
Sino nag-invalidate sa'yo? Tara, kawain natin. Sino?
Ano?
So, talaga manakot ng tao.
Sorry, sakit na.
Hindi
Kaya huwag ka magalang, hindi ikaw.
Pwede bang hayop?
May sarili ko iniisip.
Hanap ako ng hayop.
And that's humanity. Pag may gusto ko suntukin, hindi ibig sabihin kailangan sa suntukin.
Tama.
Oo
Diba?
nga.
Sa isip mo lang.
Dapat na yan ka.
What is happening right now?
Dapat may self-restraint.
Hindi. It's not about restraint.
Unrestrained.
Restraint is you
That's
inhibiting
deep.
yourself.
Kabad
What
deep.
do you
Kabad.
feel? What do you feel?
What's happening right now?
I feel oo nga, no? Pero I feel lonely. Kasi wala akong other. Kailangan ng each other na. Kaso wala akong each. Kaya other.
Wala kang kate?
Oh,
Di ba?
May itch ka. Araw-araw ka may itch eh. Araw-araw ka makate.
Di ba sabi nga daw nila, no man or no woman is an island nga daw. Oh my God.
that is true. But I raise you this. I can you be if you had someone on the same level as you, who thinks the same as you, feels the same as you.
Normal ako eh. Wala akong ka-levels eh.
Okay. That's hypothetical on your point. But I raise you in another hypothetical scenario.
Amen.
There is a someone who can think the same way as you and think the same way as you.
Amen.
Meron ka kapareho mag-isip.
Oh, yon. Do you think you can be if there was someone?
Hindi ko alam nangyari. Kakarating ko lang.
There
Wala
was
lang nangyari.
Ignore
Kanina pa ako dito,
geographical
hindi ko nga alam ang
location.
nangyayari.
Kaya. So if you had someone who can connect with you on that same level, you can be.
To be. Or
Can you
not
wait?
to be.
Can wait
That
up
is
here.
the
8 years
question.
na. Can wait eh.
Wait. You are waiting for a particular someone.
Ay, oo, siyempre.
I am talking about someone outside of that.
Parang outside.
Hindi siya someone.
The creation, procreation, you know.
This is your
Sheer
problem.
fucking will.
You're planning your future on a template of someone
Hindi.
when it has to be of something.
With something. So, pwede kayo.
Well, if that's what it has to be. It can be a career. It can be your own self-fulfillment. It does not have to be a person.
Or it can be a goat. Meron kami kambing dyan. Let's get.
Hindi ko na
Pero you're
bigayari.
holding yourself back. That's the problem. You have a template of someone. When it can be something, some animal, some other person. Diba?
Ibang tao. Hayop ka naman ang...
Exactly. It does
Tama.
not have to be a person.
Hayop ka naman.
Diba?
Oh, shut up. Shut!
Ganto
Sharp.
ba? Let's get.
Teka, gusto ko mag-shot pero
Arp,
hindi
let's
ko
get it.
kaya
Okay,
Let's
baka
get
maubos ko na to.
it.
Remember, Art,
Hey.
it does not have to be a person from your past. It does not have to be a person from your future. It does have to be something that you want to live for.
Oh,
Amen.
It
Amen.
can be a person.
Malapit na ang Panginoon, kailan mag-uumpisa yung malapit?
That's where I'm getting it from. It doesn't have to be a who. It doesn't have to be a what. It doesn't have to be a when. It has to be something that you want to live for. Oh wait, it's about me now?
Hindi.
Okay.
It's about me. Kampot.
Oh my God.
Dumi. Malalim to, hindi marumi. Matibay yun eh.
Ay, babasa.
May rumi sa lalim.
Hindi na pala sa akin. So,
I don't know where I want to go. That's the problem.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang di mo alam. Hindi mo kailangan malaman.
as long as buhay
Hindi
ka
ka kailangan malaman. Kahit mabuhay ka lang ng hindi ka batugan. Okay na yun.
I second this.
As long as productive ka nga
Oo.
daw sabi nila.
It's not even
Doon
about
ka lang
being
direction.
productive.
So, may direction ka ba?
Hindi. As long as hindi ka daw sabi nila stagnant.
Ay.
aking na